Hello viewers, welcome. And so today I'll be teaching you on how to get extra minutes from buying your data using your Momo. So assuming you're out of data and you're out of airtime and you want to buy internet bundle, you'd also use MTN. You want to buy internet bundle with your MTN Momo. So I know most of you go straight forward, then you dial star 170 hash, that's in Ghana, then you select 3 and then you buy your bundle. But today we are going to buy our bundle using our Momo account, but we are going to get extra minutes from it. So please watch this video to the end and do not miss any step, because if you miss any step, then you will have to start all over again. So watch this video to the end and then do not forget to subscribe, like and share to make others' life simple, just like the way you're making your life simple by watching this video. So let's go on. So let's check our bundle first. So over here in Ghana, as we all know, we are dialing star 124 hash. Okay, I'm using SIM1. That's my MTN. Okay, so we can see here we have 0.42 Ghana cedis. That's our airtime. And then we have our SMS, and we have our voice minutes. That's the extra minutes that we are going to get in addition. So what we will get, it will be the extra minutes that I'm talking about. It will be entering our voice. So our voice here is 38 minutes. Take note, it's 38 minutes. So our internet bundle here, we have our 4.3k, then our 0.61 megabytes. So we are going to buy our data using our Momo. So let's go on. Let's dial star 170 hash. It has in Ghana. Then we are going to select 3. Okay, so over here, don't be in a hurry to select 2. So this is what we're going to do. We are not going to select 2. We are going to select 1. So select 1, airtime, which is airtime. So we are going to select 1. We are buying it for ourselves. We are entering the amount. So I'm entering 1 Ghana cedis. Okay, so this place will require your PIN. I think this is private. Okay, so we have purchased it from our Momo. We have purchased airtime from our Momo. And let's now check our okay, that's our message. Okay, we are now going to check our airtime. So let's proceed. Okay, so as you can see, we have our airtime as 1.42. So if you can notice, the voice it used to be 38 minutes, but now it's 42 minutes. Can you imagine? So you can see how many minutes MTN has added into our voice. So this is the easiest way, and then I think with this you can even buy your bundle and then get your extra minutes in addition. Isn't this life changing? Okay, so let's go on and buy our bundle as we wanted to buy our internet bundle. So let's go on. So *138#. So let's go on. Okay, so over here you can then decide whether to buy your data bundle or midnight, or you want to use it for your social media. So I'm going to choose midnight, which is 2. So I'm going to buy internet bundle for my midnight. So I'm choosing 1. Okay, so I'm going to enter my amount. So over here I'm going to enter 50 pesos. I'm going to enter 50 pesos. Okay, so I'm going to buy my. Okay, so over here our 50 pesos is 1 gig. So I'm going to choose buy. Okay, from airtime. So over here, I know most of you make when you're in a hurry and you want your internet bundle, you want to check this guy's status, you want to go on Facebook, you want to go on YouTube, you want to go on Telegram, Instagram, you want to check this, you want to check out on this platform, you want to go on this platform, you want to check all this and that. I know most of you are always in a hurry to go on dial this *138# and then you go on and you buy from your mobile money, which is very wrong. So please don't do that. So just follow the procedure. Go dial your *170#, buy your airtime, get your extra minutes you want, then you can go on and buy from your airtime. Okay, so from my airtime. Okay, because I delayed a little bit. Okay, so I can go on to purchase it, as we all know. Okay, I think I said I'll buy 50 pesos. Okay, so I've successfully purchased my internet bundle. Okay, that's the message. I've successfully bought my internet bundle. So as you can see, it's now 5k. That's 5,000. It used to be 4,000. Now it's 5,000. I've added 1,000 to the 4,000, making it 5,000. And then we used to have a 38 minutes. That's our extra time, which has been put here as voice, which was 38 minutes. Now it's 42. Is that not life changing and also life saving? Because you can buy bundle and then you use it without anything, but now you buy a bundle and then you still get extra minutes in addition. So please don't go forward to buying your internet bundle by dialing your *138# and then buying it from your Momo account. With that, you not earn anything. With that, you are just wasting your money and then you are not getting any profit. So please, was this video helpful? If yes, please comment in the comment section. Please comment in the comment section, and then like and subscribe and share. Please share so that your colleagues, your friends, your guys, or your niggas will be able to also follow and then make life simple. So please share and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.